Hi! The holidays are coming again, which means family gatherings. That means nice food, a lot of fun, laughter, joy, but maybe also that one person who's really pissing you off, who always has to come to you and say these mean things that just like, and you're like, I would like to strangle that person, but yeah, it's my grandmother, I cannot really do that. They will not really appreciate that. Yeah, well, every family has at least one piece of shit who's gonna be there and like so what to do about this? Not to go? I know that there are many people who think, oh, these holidays, no, I'm not going because there will always be that person, that brother of mine or that sister of mine or that cousin. I'm not going, I'll see my parents another time. I'll find an excuse. How about being able to go there and not being affected by that piece of well, I decided to organize a workshop online because this is not just something for the people who live around me here in Bucharest, but it's a global thing. Everywhere, every family has this one nasty person. Every family has this combination of nice people and not so nice, and this very poisonous one. So how can you enjoy being with those that you love and not being affected by that one or maybe two people who are not that nice or maybe even very mean? Well, I'm organizing a workshop online especially for this. So click the link, choose the date that you like. It will be interactive, and feel free to also write in the comments on the subscription page what it is that you have been encountering. This way I can fine-tune the workshop to your needs. I will not guarantee you that you will never ever be bothered by anyone anymore, but you will learn how to deal with this so it affects you less and less and less. At a certain moment, it will not affect you anymore at all. I've learned to do this. And of course I choose where I go and where I don't. But I can be surrounded with 100, 150 people and only focus on the few good ones, the fun ones, and have a wonderful evening or a wonderful few days. And this is what I really would love to share with you, so that you also can start to enjoy the nice things of life and isolate yourself from those things that are really not relevant to you. So click that link, indicate which day is the best for you, which hour is the best for you, and please share why you would like to do this workshop. Looking forward to hearing from you.